Rhythms of Indus. Sindhu, raise your eyes, overladen with eternal love. We continue to offer hymns to your greatness. Sindhu, you are the mother of great human civilizations. Babylon, Assyrian, and Sumerian were nurtured on your generous offerings. We praise Imam Sauti, who claims that the Nile, Euphrates, Jihun, and Sindhu are heavenly rivers. People from the meadows of Ladakh still call you the lion's mouth. The Vedas were born on your banks. Still earlier, you were the beloved of Dravidians and Meds too. Since ages, you are the center of our offerings and our love. Today, we offer the rainbow of the musical rhymes to your great life-giving contribution. We, the people of Pakistan, living on the banks, shall express our gratitude to you through our folk singers and musicians as continuous tradition from the antiquity.
Thank you very much.